is our annual back to school splash. So we're at the Sunrise Athletic Complex. We're giving out 1,000 backpacks to Sunrise school age children. We have everything from a bag of fruit to free books, free school supplies. We've got our great partners, friends like the Early Learning Coalition and everybody else out here. And it really takes a village to make this community as great as it is, and we're excited to be here.
We try to make sure that each individual child gets the early start that they need. And being able to provide resources is all about the growth of the overall family.
The Early Learning Coalition is a great partner with the City of Sunrise, and they provide not just childcare services in our community in Broward County, but also other resources that families may need. So having partnerships like this in our community is extremely vital.
But always happy to support it because, look, our students, we have to teach them, we have to raise them, one day they're going to be our future leaders. So it's important that every student has an opportunity to learn in a comfortable environment.
This is kind of the last time that we're going to get to have some fun with these kids before they get back into learning. All about supporting our kids in our community and making sure that we have the highest quality of education and resources available for them.